The Inner Manipur parliamentary seat will witness elections tomorrow, April 18. Around 9,28,626 voters, 8,838 service voters and 32 third gender will cast their votes for the inner election at 13,000 polling stations. Results will be declared on May 23rd. A total 11 candidates are in the fray for inner seat. A massive fire broke at RIMS Nursing Hostel No. 2, Imphal around 9:30 this morning. The ravaging fire swept through most parts of the hostel. Firemen and SDRF personnel are still struggling to douse the blaze. There were no casualty reports. The Election Commission today ordered repoll in 19 polling stations of Outer Manipur parliamentary constituency following complaints of voters' intimidation by militants and destruction of EVMs and VVPATs. Repolling in these polling stations spread over 4 districts: Senapati, Chandel, Churachandpur and Ukhrul. Will be held on April 18, the same day of voting for Inner Manipur Lok Sabha seat. Mahavir Jayanti is being celebrated in Manipur today. Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah and Chief Minister N. Biren have greeted the people, especially the Jain community, on the occasion. A massive cyclonic storm led Tuesday night lashed most parts of Assam and other northeastern states, including Guwahati. The cyclonic storm, followed by heavy downpour, left a trail of destruction across the state and region. Myanmar military arrested 10 leaders and 6 fighters, including captains leading squads, in March after taking over the K Group's headquarters at Tanga in Siang province, following which the National Socialist Council of Nagaland's Kaplang fraction has demanded release of their leaders by the Myanmar government to be able to carry out peace talks. Tripura East constituency is going for polls in second phase on April 18 and campaigning will end on 5 p.m. on Tuesday. Party candidates and leaders are harping on Poila Baisak on Monday to reach out to the election personally as part of electioneering. Notre Dame is not the first great cathedral to suffer a devastating fire, and it probably wouldn't be the last. In a sense, that is good news. A global army of experts and craftspeople can be called on for the long, complex process of restoring the gutted landmark.